Ali Khamenei was born on July 19, 1939, in Mashhad, Iran. He came from a very religious family. His father was a simple religious scholar, and they lived a very basic life with little money. Ali was a very smart and dedicated student. His teachers saw that he gave all of his time and energy to learning. To get a higher education, Ali went to the city of Qom. He stayed there for many years and studied very hard. In Qom, he learned from many great religious teachers. The most important teacher he had was Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini. Khamenei was a very powerful and respected leader. He believed that religious leaders should not only teach religion, but should also lead the government of a country. From his teachers, Ali learned about Islamic law, philosophy, and how to become a religious leader himself. He was always a very serious student. Khamenei was arrested many times. He was put in prison by Savak. Prison was hard. He was treated badly, but he did not stop. Every time he was released, he went back to speaking and working against the Shah. He was arrested at least 6 times during this period. Khamenei also worked in Mashhad, his home city. He taught young people and helped organize resistance to the Shah. Resistance means fighting back against power. He became known as a brave and strong leader. People respected him for not giving up, even when life was very hard and dangerous. The year 1979 was a turning point for Iran. A turning point is a moment when everything changes. For many years, people had been angry at the Shah. They wanted him gone. In early 1979, that finally happened. Millions of people went into the streets. They protested and called for the Shah to leave. The Shah tried to stop the protests, but there were too many people. In January 1979, the Shah left Iran and never came back. A few weeks later, Ayatollah Khomeini returned to Iran from France. Millions of people went to the airport and the streets to welcome him. It was one of the biggest moments in Iran's history and led to the creation of the new Islamic Republic of Iran. Ali Khamenei played an important role in the revolution. In the 1960s, Iran was ruled by a king, the Shah. Khamenei did not like the king's rule. He joined protests and gave speeches to wake people up. Because he spoke against the king, he was arrested 6 times. He spent many years in jail and was even sent away to far-off places, exile, as punishment. In 1981, while he was giving a speech, a hidden bomb exploded near him. He survived, but his right hand became paralyzed. Since then, he always used his left hand to write. After the Islamic Revolution in 1979, he became very important. In 1981, he was elected as the 3rd president of Iran. He served as president for 8 years. In 1989, the first leader, Ayatollah Khomeini, passed away. On June 4, 1989, Khamenei was chosen as the new supreme leader. He held this power for over 35 years.
The leader, he focused on making Iran's military very strong. Under his rule, Iran built its own missiles and drones so they would not have to depend on other countries. He did not trust Western countries, especially the USA. He believed Iran should follow its own Islamic culture and stay away from Western influences. Ali Khamenei died on 28 February 2026 at the age of 86. A large military attack happened in Tehran, the capital city of Iran. The attack targeted important government and military places.
During the attack, missiles and airstrikes hit the place where Khamenei was staying. The explosions were very powerful and destroyed parts of the building. Khamenei was seriously injured and died during the attack. Later, Iranian state media confirmed his death. After that, the government announced 40 days of national mourning, and many people gathered to honor him. He left behind a country that is very strong militarily, but faces many challenges. His death marked the end of a long era in Iranian history, and now the world is watching to see who will lead Iran next.